In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change modes on Turtle Beach Stealth 600. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the Stealth 600 from Turtle Beach, regardless of the generation, so it can be Generation 1, Gen 2, or Gen 3, you will be able to change the sound or audio mode. They will have presets available, and by pressing a specific button, you can control the mode that your headset is currently using. So all that you have to do to customize the mode is to press the dedicated button. So as you can see on the buttons available, we have the power button, the mode button, which is what we're looking for, and then the options to control the chat volume and the game volume. So all that you have to do, as the name suggests, is to press the mode button. As you can see, according to the manual, this is going to cycle through audio presets, and they are listed right here. So there are 4 audio presets that come with your headset. You have signature sound, which is 1 beep. If you hear 2 beeps, you have bass boost. Then for 3 beeps, you have bass and treble boost, and then finally vocal boost. This can significantly change how specific songs or specific genres of music sound, so you can choose the one that is most appropriate for you. And like I mentioned, you can cycle through all of these by simply pressing the mode button. So you don't even have to download the software. This is going to work for PC, consoles, or anywhere where you can connect the Stealth 600s. So all that you have to do is press the dedicated mode button located here between the power button and the volume cycles, and as long as you press this button, you will be able to cycle through all of those equalizer presets. And you can use the software if you would like further customization related to the audio quality and stuff related to the equalizer as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to change modes on Turtle Beach Stealth 600. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.